there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany Bundles, and today we are doing an unboxing. I'm going to be doing an unboxing on a pair of sunglasses that were sent to me by Wzerry or Wzerry. I'll go ahead and put the company name right on the screen. So this video is sponsored by this company, and I really appreciate them working with me. I am going to be showing you all how I feel about the sunglasses, showing you how they look, unboxing everything with you, explaining a little bit about the correspondence between me and the company, shipping, all of that information. So if you're like me, if you do enjoy sunglasses and different accessories, then this is going to be a great video for you. I have not opened the actual box for the sunglasses yet. I've seen a picture of them, but I have not, like I mentioned, open the box. I've just opened the Amazon package, but the box is still closed. So before we get into the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Please make sure that you are subscribed, and let's get right into the video. So the first thing that I want to go over is, like I mentioned, the company name is Wzerry. So it's Wzerry Vision. I did receive the oversized polarized sunglasses. The style is a fashion retro classic. It is 100% UV 400 protection. And I also have a discount code that will be linked below in the description bar of this video. Now be careful with the description code because it is going to be for a limited time. So I'm going to be going over the discount code because it's a huge discount code. I'll just say it, it's 40% off, which is huge. So I'm going to be going over a little bit more regarding the discount code and the price of the sunglasses in just a moment. But let's go ahead and get into what the sunglasses actually look like. The package actually came from Amazon. This company is on Amazon.com. I will have the link below in the description bar to this company as well. And so it came in a package like this. I did go ahead and open the top. And inside of the package, it looks like this. It has a box. The box is black. So in the box, it says, "The world in your eyes, enjoy your life, 100% UV protection." And I'm gonna go ahead and just open the side of the box. So when you open the box, this is what it looks like. It comes with a case. It also comes with a cloth. And I believe this is another cloth. We'll go ahead and open it up just to make sure that's what they are. I have some instructions or information about the sunglasses right here. And I also have this. Now this says, "Test, wear sunglasses to see the beautiful pattern." So I'm going to put the sunglasses on and we're going to see what this pattern is. So first things first, I'm actually going to go ahead and open up this box and see what the sunglasses look like. Now I really like sunglasses. It does, you know, I don't have to have like name brand sunglasses. I don't have to have the most expensive sunglasses. I just love sunglasses. I've always loved sunglasses since I was a child. I think it just gives you a way to accessorize your look while also protecting your eyes. So I just like the different styles of sunglasses. So when I was contacted by this company and they're like, you know, "Hey, do you want to review this product?" I'm like, yes, I do. I really do. I love sunglasses. So this is how they come. I'm going to go ahead and take the packaging off. Okay. And these are what the sunglasses look like. So it has a flower on each side. And inside of the glasses, they say Wzerry, design in Italy. It also has a number or a code right here. Now the sunglasses are black, which I don't have a problem with. Let me try them on and see how they look on me. So I think that the sunglasses look really cool. I definitely did notice the room get darker, obviously, because, you know, I have the sunglasses on. And I feel like these sunglasses definitely will protect your eyes. So in a minute, I'm going to actually go outside because I really want to test the sunglasses and see how they feel when I'm actually outside in the sun. But I wanted to go ahead and see how they look. So I really like these sunglasses. Like I mentioned, I think the flower on the side is just, it's enough. It kind of lets you know that, yeah, she doesn't want to be too plain, but it's not a day where I'm going overboard or anything like that. So it's just a hint of design, which I really like I mentioned. A lot of times I wear my sunglasses on top of my head. So I also check whenever I'm purchasing sunglasses, I check to make sure that they look okay to me on top of my head. It kind of depends on the type of hairstyle that you have as well, the type of outfit that you have on and where you're going. I like the fact that they're black and I like the detail on the side. I also like the gold. I know I've been mentioning the flower, but I also like the gold detail on the side. Now, I'm going to get into the price of these sunglasses. These sunglasses are $16.99 plus tax and shipping. So for the price, you know, these are not bad at all. These are really, really pretty. I would go ahead and purchase from this company. I think that it doesn't feel too cheap. They don't feel like they're going to break. Sometimes when you get sunglasses, they can feel like they're going to break. You know what I mean? And so these don't feel like it. This is my first day taking them out the package, obviously, but they don't feel like they're poorly made. They feel like, you know, they're going to be around for a while. Of course, depending on how you take care of them. So like I mentioned, they are offering a 40% discount, but only for a limited time. So the discount is going to be from August 10th of 2019 until August 15th of 2019. So if you are interested in these sunglasses, you make sure that you take advantage of the discount code link below and you do go ahead and purchase your glasses because they're $16.99 and then you add the 40% discount on top of that. And that's an excellent deal. So I'm going to put these on one more time just so you can kind of see what they look like. I think these are really, really cool. Like I said, I probably would wear like some earrings with it just to kind of bring more color to it. Maybe some lipstick or something like that. But if you wanted to just run to the store, if you wanted to, you know, go to like a school event, one of your children's football games or basketball games, if you wanted to go shopping, these are really some cool shades to just kind of grab and go. And a lot of times, like I mentioned, all my sunglasses don't have to be designer sunglasses. I'm not that type of girl, but I like having a variety of sunglasses because it gives me a chance to mix it up. Not only that, but there may be some days where I don't know if your children are like mine, but sometimes I don't want to share my sunglasses. So if I'm wearing really, really expensive sunglasses and my kids are like, hey, can I wear those? I'm like, no. But if I'm wearing something that, isn't as expensive, I don't really have a problem with letting them kind of see it because if they break, it's not like I'm going to have to make a large investment. And so this is really cool. Like I said, I would probably wear these to football games or basketball games or whatever, just because, you know, if something did happen, if I did lose these, I can go right to the website and repurchase these. Like I said, they're under $20. So it's not a huge investment. A product that's under $20 for it not to really feel cheap, for it to have a design on it. And, you know, for them to look like this, I would go ahead and purchase. So like I mentioned, the code is going to be down below. Now I'm going to take you all outside with me. I'm going to show you or tell you how the sunglasses feel when I'm outside, and also you're going to be able to see them when I'm outside as well. So let's go ahead and go outside and I'll wrap up the video after that. So let's go. All right, so thanks for coming outside with me. I'm going to go ahead and try on the sunglasses here. I was going to go in my backyard, but the neighbor's dog and my dog, they're going at it right now. Like they're barking so loud. So you wouldn't be able to hear me very clear in the backyard. So I'm going to go ahead and try on the sunglasses here because a lot of times when I'm wearing sunglasses, I'm driving anyways. So let me see. Yeah, these are pretty cool. Like I really feel like I could drive in these sunglasses. I really feel like they do their job. Sometimes you can get sunglasses, they really don't block out the sunlight. And so you put them on and you're like, it doesn't even feel like I have any sunglasses on, but it's not the case with these sunglasses at all. So I think I'm actually going to keep them in my car because I like these sunglasses. I like the way that they look. And I also like the way that they protect my eyes when I'm out driving or outside. So I'm going to go ahead and open up what the sunglasses came with to see, you know, what this actually is. And now that I'm actually closer and outside, this is another case for the sunglasses. So I like this. It came in this, but you also get this as well. So you can go ahead and put your sunglasses in this case so that they're not getting scratched, and put them right up in your car. Also, it comes with a cloth. So if you want to clean your sunglasses, you have the cloth to do so. And it comes with a set of directions or instructions. So this is just giving you instructions, and it's explaining everything that comes with the sunglasses, how to keep them from getting broken. It also explains that there is a 30-day money-back guarantee. Do you see that? So I really like this. A lot of times when you order products, they don't really come with a money-back guarantee. So the fact that these glasses are A, under 20 bucks, B, there's a 40% off discount, and C, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee, and also D, it comes with 100% UV protection. What more can you ask for? And the customer service with this store was actually great. Every time that I emailed the owner or the representative, they got right back to me. Every time I asked the question was answered. And so yes, I would definitely work with this company again, and I would even purchase with my own money because, like I said, I mean, I think the sunglasses are cute, and I like everything that I've, seen and witnessed about the company and also the product thus far. So I'm also going to look at this because it says test, wear sunglasses or wear glasses to see the beautiful pattern. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if I see anything different when I put the sunglasses on. I like cool things like that. Yes, I was one of those kids that would play the games on the back of the cereal boxes. So stuff like this is truly fun to me. Let me see. That is cool. So I see everything that I saw before, but right here, there's a fish. This is like a fishing pole, and the fish is biting the bait. Right here, you can see a fish jumping out of the water. I'm not lying. It's a whole fish right here jumping out of the water, and I'm showing you. You all can't see, but that is what I wish it was a way that I could let you all see. Let me see. This may be crazy. You may not be able to. I'm gonna see if you could see. Can you kind of see it a little bit? Let me see. I don't think that's gonna work. Yeah, you can kind of see it right here a little bit. Oh, can you? Yeah, you can kind of see that fish. You see the fish right here? But then look, no, you can kind of see it. See right here? It just makes it darker when you have the sunglasses on. I hope you can see that. But yes, I'm very excited. I like these a lot. I like these. These are going to stay on top of my head because I am going to go to the store in a moment. So I'm going to wear these out. I'm going to drive with these, and then when I'm done, I'm going to put them in this case and stick them up here. I'm probably going to just keep this in my drawer or in my closet somewhere just in case I want to travel with these one day. But yeah, I like them. I'm going to go ahead and put the cleaning cloth in here as well, just to kind of keep everything together. Inside of the case, it also comes with this. That's pretty cool too. So yes, I'm very excited. So thank you so much, Wzerry or Wzerry, for sending out these sunglasses. I really appreciate it. I enjoyed working with you. I enjoyed talking to you all about the sunglasses and showing you how they look and how I feel about them. So again, if you are interested, be sure to check out the description box below for the link to the Amazon store, as well as the discount code. The glasses shipped really fast. I received them in about, I think it was like maybe 3 to 4 business days, so not long at all. So definitely check these out. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to do so now, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.